Hello. Okay, today I'm going to show you how to fix Windows cannot be installed on this disk. Right? Okay. Firstly, we're going to press Shift and F10 together. Right? Type disk part. Right? And type again SELECT disk 0. And type again CLEAN clean. Wait a second. And type convert GPT enter. Sorry to convert GPT. Lastly, type exit. Type exit. Already exit this part and close this one. Refresh. Click new. If you want to make two partitions, just divide here and just straight away install this. Alright. So wait a second. Alright, so see, you can install any Windows now. For more videos, subscribe. If you have leave comments, requests, you can make